This beautiful 1947 Morris 8 Series E is a wonderful reminder of post-war Britain's motoring. This quaint 40s classic is powered by a 918cc side valve 4-cylinder engine producing around 23.5 horsepower and a top speed of 55 to 58 miles per hour. It was designed to be an affordable, reliable family car. The inside of this classic really contrasts with the black and red paintwork on the outside. It's beautifully patinaed and has had so much love throughout its life. You could win this very 1947 Morris 8 from us here at Bridge Classic Cars. It's absolutely beautiful and it could be a little bit of motoring history on your driveway. So head over to the Bridge Classic Cars website today and get yourself a ticket.